Alright, welcome back to YX Music Tech and Academic channel. In our last video we talked about the tools that we need to set up for repairs of saxophone. And today we are going to talk about the secrets that is behind the repairs of saxophone. So these are the secrets we need to look at before we start up repairing. To study the saxophone very well and see which part are closed at thread and which part are open. Right, so now on the here you see we have a part here closed at threads, and here we have a part here closed at threads. This is open, this is open, this is open, this is open. Yeah, when you get here you see that here is closed at thread as well. So and we have here some adjustment screws, and when we get to where we will perform the repairs, I'm going to show us how to work this out. And here we have part closed at rest, part closed at rest. Also here again we have them all over, so we need to study how they were arranged. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.